Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to review and swatch MOART Velvet Lipsticks. MOART is a Korean brand. These lipsticks are available on Limes Connect. They have 12 shades and I will be swatching all of them. Limes Connect is a Korean beauty platform and they are the official partners of some of the really good Korean brands in India. Let's get to the lipsticks. A single bullet costs rupees 550, but you can use my code to get 10% off. The MOART Velvet Lipstick collection comes in 3 series with 4 lipsticks each. The series are T, R and Y. The packaging for every series is color coded. The R series has a nude pink packaging, the T series has a blue packaging, and the Y series has a watermelon pink colored packaging. The outer packaging is a cardboard box. The shade name is on the bottom of the lipstick as well as on the outer packaging. Overall, the packaging is very minimal and organized. I will be starting off with the R series. The R series has 4 pink nude shades. First shade is called Sand Rose. It is a soft muted rose with warm brown undertone. The shade will be a warm pink nude for light to medium skin tones. The finish, I'd say, is matte. On the camera it can look a little bit shiny, but in person it's almost matte. Next is Cotton Rose. This is a rosy pink shade. It's a neutral pink for light to light medium skin tone. Deeper skin tones need a lip liner with this one. Next shade is called Dry Rose. This is a deep dusty rose pink. Application is very easy. They glide smoothly on your lips without tugging. Make sure that you prep your lips before application. This shade is suitable for all skin tones. I love the vibrance of this shade. It looks popping, but it will not wash you out. Ultimately, for the R series, I have the shade called Vintage Rose. This is a soft muted brick red with rose tones. This again is a shade for all skin tones, a gorgeous pink toned red. These lipsticks are very comfortable to wear. They are creamy and lightweight. After this, we have the Y series that has softer coral shades. Number 1 is Softly. This is a lively nude tone with hints of coral. This shade is for light to medium deep skin tones. It looks like a warm toned orange nude in natural light. Next is Slowly, which is a dark chili red. It's a warm toned red for all skin tones. Then we have Lively, which is a bold neon coral. It looks like a bold neon red in this lighting. It's not too bold to wash you out. And another thing that I want to mention over here is that you can use all these shades as cheek tints too. This shade is suitable for all skin tones. Then we have Daintily, which is a coral with pink undertone. This is a very popping, almost neon pink kind of shade. Again, it's suitable for all skin tones. Now, a thing that I want to add here is that the Y series is the most universal series. That is, most of the shades in the Y series are going to look good on a lot of different skin tones. Our last series is T with vibrant pinks and reds. First shade is a bright pink called Ready to Hot. This shade feels so Korean. It's extremely bright and surprisingly it did not wash me out. When I saw the bullet, I was pretty sure that this was going to wash me out, but overall I love this shade and I feel it will suit all skin tones if you want a bold neon pink lip. Then we have Ready to Cool, which is a bold plum shade for all skin tones. The lasting power is about 2 to 3 hours. It's not very long lasting, but this shade is very long wearing because it will tint your lips. It does not come off easily. So this shade in particular has an extended lasting power. Then we have Ready to Play, which is a bright grapefruit orange. This shade is for fair skin tone. It did wash me out a bit, as you can see. It's a very light orange, so lighter skin tones can pull it off easily. All the shades that I tried were very pigmented except Ready to Play, which was that popping orange kind of shade. You need to build it up a few times to make it opaque. The final shade is Ready to Die, which is my favorite out of all the shades that I swatched today. This is your classic neutral red shade. It will look stunning on all skin tones. It makes your teeth look white. The undertone is very neutral. So yeah, it's a stunning red shade. Also, these lipsticks do transfer. They are not 100% transfer proof. If you have any queries about these lipsticks, do mention them in the comments. Also, let me know your favorite shade and do not forget to check out these lipsticks. I'm going to link them in the description box. And that's it for the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.